What is up, YouTube? It is your boy JC, and I know I haven't uploaded any videos in a long time, and I'm so sorry about that. I haven't had any money or I've been limiting my expenses to not spend on lottery tickets in a good while, but I just decided not to spend any money in a good while, and if you're hearing any background noises, my father is currently cooking dinner right now. I know, I wish I would have done it myself, but I'm here recording this video for you guys. So anyways, I am back, and I got $80 in Texas Lottery scratch-off tickets. And they're both the first time they're on my channel. One of which is actually what I consider to be a decent ticket. And this is actually Texan Candy's favorite ticket in the world, the $10 200 million cash explosion. So I got 4 of them. And what could honestly be my favorite $20 ticket ever, and my favorite ticket in general, the $20 million Loteria. So if $80 invested, that is of course our break-even point. And again, there's nothing I can do about the background noises or the music. It's just, that's my father for you. He listens to whatever he wants, whenever he wants. So you'll have to forgive me for that. Anyways, we're going to start things off with the 200 million cash explosion. We've got 4 of them. Tickets 17 through 20. The odds are 1 in 3.91. Rules are simple. It is a matching number game. We're looking to match winning numbers to your numbers. A money bag is an auto win. A 20x symbol is 25 times the prize. So let's go on that symbol hunt. I have played this ticket before, but this is the first time I've played this ticket on camera. The best I've done was $15. And of course it was off camera. It was through a matching number. Texan Candy has actually hit the 20x symbol a couple times for $200 each time. That's how she ended up hitting $200. I think that's why she loves this ticket to death. So no symbols. Let's see if we can match a number. 11. I see 12. I see 10. No 11. 21. Nope. 36. Nope. 35. Nope. 34. What's this? Going in reverse order? 24. Nope, last one, it is an 8. We have 18, 28, 38, but no 8. First one's a loser. Interesting thing about this ticket is that they come with 3 different designs. So here's the first one. There's the second one. And here's the third one. So the first one was a loser. Let's see how we do on the second one. We'll reveal the winning numbers. Let's see. We're looking for 18, 16, 1, 29, 14, 11, and 4. Give me just a moment, guys, because I'm apparently being called. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to taste the food he was cooking because he was using some paprika to make a bit of an interesting twist on pork chops. So I'm going to have a good dinner tonight. Alright, let's just keep going. We're looking for these numbers or a money bag or a 20x. You know, I'm not even going to complain if I see one money back for $10, because I haven't had a symbol. Symbol wins are just something that are hard to come across. Even break-even, not break-even prizes, break-even wins with symbols, they're really hard to see. Even though in one video you saw me get 2 symbol wins. One was on the 777s ticket and one on the Millionaire Club. Alright, let's just double check here to see if that I didn't miss anything. I'll scan this one later to check, but it looks like we have another loser. Alright, on to ticket 19. Let's go back to the symbol hunt. Could you imagine a 20x? Wait, is it possible? I think if you get a 20x, it could be 50 for 100. Or no, wait. No. No, the bare minimum would be 10. So if you get that 20x, you're going to win at least $200. Interesting. No wonder TC loves this ticket to death. But it hasn't shown me any mercy at all. Also got to be on the lookout for duplicate numbers, because that's an indication that it is a win. Alright, last row. This is the last chance for any symbols to pop up. And there's no symbols. Alright, let's reveal our winning numbers, one at a time. 33, 13, 23, 34, 32, but no 33. 15. Nope, we have 14 and 16. 3. We have 13, 23, 2. We don't have a 4 anywhere. 37. I don't see anything there. Or any 37, for the matter. 35. Nope. 38. Last one is 9. Yikes. 3 in a row. We haven't had any wins. Well, we're going back to the first design, ticket number 20. Alright, winning numbers for ticket 20 are 31, 6, 22, 23, 16, 17, and 25. Or a money bag or a 20x. Of course, we get 24 and... Oh, wait! I was about to say 24, 25 when I realized that we have matching 25. There's a winner. I was like, what? Why are they giving us these numbers to tease us? And then I realized, oh, there's a match. Never mind. Boy, I got tricked hardcore there. Let's see if we can get anything else. Upside down 6, but that's not what we're looking for. Oh, a 17. We got 2 matches. We're going to do what Fixin' to Scratch does. We're going to leave links to both Fixin' to Scratch and Tex and Candy's channels in the description of this video. Make sure to check them out because they do some pretty interesting videos. Oh, shoot, I already revealed that it's little zeros. Dang it. Chances are it'll be 10 and 10 for 20, though. Can we get anything else besides the 17 And I marked down the wrong number. It's this one. Not 37, 25. Let's see. So we have 17 and 25 so far. 36, 33, 34, none of those up there. 7, that's a one-off. 15's a one-off. 38, we don't have that. 32, that's a one-off. 27, 11, and 4. So, from what I can tell, we have the matching 25 and 17 only. Underneath the 5, we have 50. And you've got to be kidding me! Look at this! What in the world is this? What in the world? $100. What is this? I don't even believe this. I thought we were going to have 10s under each of them for 20. Oh my gosh. Wow. We've already profited this session no matter what. Oh. I don't believe this. Oh man. $100 on the 200 million cash explosion. Now I love this ticket. Oh man. And we still have 2 more tickets to go. We still have the $1 million Loteria. Oh man. I need time to recover. Good Lord. That's insane. Now we're going to move on to the $1 million Loteria. And my God, I need time to calm down. I'll scan all these cash explosion tickets to make sure I didn't miss any other wins. But from what we can tell, we've already profited $20 this session. So let's see if we can get anything else. We have ticket number 7 and 8 of the $1 million Loteria. The odds are 1 in 3.31. Boy, the first time I played this ticket, in the bonus section there were 2 checks for $100. I won $100 here, and I didn't film it. I wish I did. I wish I would have shown you guys my reaction, but you guys already know. You already saw me getting $100. You saw my reaction. Alright, so we're going to start in the bonus section. We need to get 2 matching symbols to win $100. Nope. 200. Nope. Alright, so down in the caller's card, I think we have 27 symbols here in the caller's card. We're looking to match them in either the playboard number 1, 2, or the bonus games on number 3. In the playboard, we're looking to get, or the first playboard, we're looking to get any column, row, or diagonal, or multiple columns, rows, and diagonals to win the prize there. In area number 2, if we can get all 4 symbols in any one of the playboards, we win the prize for that playboard. And the bonus games, we're looking to get both symbols in any one of them to win the prize there. This is lucky ticket number 7. Let's play some bingo. First 3 symbols are guitar, wheel, and cactus. Oh my gosh, my scratch ticket is, or my coin is getting a little rusty. Guitar, wheel, cactus. Man, I still can't believe we won the 100 on Cash Explosion. That's now the best I've done on this ticket, and that ties my all-time record for the biggest amount of money I've ever won on any scratch ticket in general. So I'm just so shocked right now. Guitar, wheel, cactus. Just another guitar. Guitar, wheel, cactus. All right, that's it. Horseshoe, Spear, Lone Star. There's a Lone Star. There's a Spear. There's a Horseshoe. Horseshoe, Spear, Lone Star, that's it. Hen, Spur, Piñata. There's a Spur. Piñata. Spur. Hen, Spur, Piñata. There's another Spur. Hen, Spur, Piñata. Alright, next three. Gem, Saddle, Armadillo. Alright, we're definitely not getting the shoes because that'd be the top prize. The odds of that are 1 in 1,200,000 just to get the top prize of $1 million. Gem, Saddle, Armadillo. Really? Is that it? That seems to be it. Bat, Newspaper, Cardinal. Whoa. Whoa, boy. Sorry, guys. Whoop, I was almost about to knock you guys down. That would have been nice. No, just kidding. Cardinal, newspaper, bat. There's the newspaper. Shit would be $500. Spur, newspaper, or no. Bat, newspaper, Cardinal. There's another Cardinal. The boar would be a win. Newspaper, boar, or no, newspaper, Cardinal, bat. That seems to be it. We haven't gotten anything on the bonus symbols unless I'm missing something. Boar for the win. Boar for the win. Look at that. They just keep on coming. The cow, the boar, the strawberry. Cow, boar, strawberry. Boar for the win. Look at that. Let's just double check to make sure we have the horseshoe, the boar, the guitar, the cardinal. There's a win on the second area right here. See if we can get anything else. There's the cow. Boar, strawberry. There's our first one here. We have the strawberry. We have the cow. There's a good chance we'd probably get a win on either the bonus section or the other playboard on the second area here. No other boar. All right, next three. Butterfly, horse, pecan tree. There's a butterfly, or it could just be that one. Butterfly, horse, pecan tree. Alright, that seems to be it. Oil rig, windmill, mortar pestle. Alright, so we're set up here in the bonus games, but I think they're just going to be teases here. Desert, Roadrunner, Rattlesnake. No desert, no rattlesnake. No desert, no roadrunner. So it seems to be just the win here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Big zeros. Big zeros. This could be my biggest session to date. 100. Dude. What is this? Guys, look at this. First the two $50 spots on the cash explosion, and now we get big zeros on this area for $100. Dude, this is crazy. We still have one more ticket to go. Oh my lord, this is insanity. Can we do it again? No, you're being too greedy, JC. Alright, well, we're not going to waste any more time. Let's play bingo for the second time. Cardinal, horseshoe, spear. Moving as fast as I can here. Oh my gosh, guys, $200 already this session. This is crazy. Cardinal, horseshoe, spear. I can't believe this. This is crazy. $100 on one of each of these tickets. This is awesome. That's the second time I've won $100 on the $1 million Loteria. Okay. Calm down. You could have another win here and you might not know it. Cardinal, horseshoe, spear. Alright. See if we can do it, if we can get another win. Windmill, bluebonnet, ship. Bluebonnet. Bluebonnet. Windmill, bluebonnet, ship. Windmill, bluebonnet, ship. Really? That's it? My goodness. Roadrunner, lizard, rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. Roadrunner. Roadrunner, lizard, rattlesnake. There's another roadrunner. Roadrunner, lizard, rattlesnake. And that was tick number 7 on the last one, so number 7 is lucky. It was crazy. Roadrunner, lizard, rattlesnake. Is that really it? We're not doing very good on ticket number 8. Whoop. Oopsies. Mortar pestle, corn, soccer ball. There's the corn. Mortar pestle, soccer ball. We have the football, but that's not what we're looking for. Okay, there's the corn. I was like, is that it? Really? You guys are not even trying to give us a tease? At this point, I don't even care if we lose on this ticket. We profited big time. Mortar pestle, corn, soccer ball. Alright. Lone Star, Maracas, Gem. Lone Star, Maracas. This is a joke, right? The only one I've seen is the Maracas. No Lone Star, no Gem. I think this might be a setup for a tease. Race car, Moonrise, Strawberry. Race car and the strawberry. Unless I missed the bat, it would get us $40. And I didn't. There's the Moonrise. Race car, Moonrise, strawberry. Nope. Horse, Mockingbird, shoes. Mockingbird. Horse. Shoes. Cowboy would be a break-even back-to-back win. Horse, Mockingbird, shoes. Seems to be it. Can we get another? Can the board come through for us once again? Doesn't look like it. The oil rig, wheel, newspaper. All right. And I missed the horse. Well, now we definitely can't get the bat. We can't win $540. Okay, I was going to say, I thought I missed the diagonal win on ticket number 7. Oil rig, wheel, newspaper. This could be a tease. Can we get another one? Another win? Cactus, spur, cow. This doesn't look like it's going to do anything here. Spur, cow, cactus. Well, we have a loser, but who is complaining here? This is crazy. $100 on the 200 million cash explosion and $100 on the $1 million Loteria. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe it. Out of $80 spent, we won $200. That's a profit of $120. This is the best session I've ever had on my channel to date. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't even talk right because I'm just so shocked right now. But boy, this made up for it. I had a feeling we were going to have all losers, but it doesn't matter. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I know you guys enjoyed it because you guys have seen some epic wins. Remember to like and subscribe for future uploads whenever possible. Play responsibly. And I will see you guys in the next video. This is just crazy. $200 right there. Thanks for watching, everybody.